Where are we just coming from?
Or maybe
What did you get?
some trunks, chocolates, and a shirt.
Yeah? Put your head backward. I can't see your face. So what'd you get?
I just told you I got a trunk, shirt, chocolates, and a fish.
You ready to go swimming?
Yeah, it's beaming out here.
Beaming?
Yes? It's hot, I'm gonna melt like a witch.
Like a witch?
Yes?
How would that be?
Nothing!
That's how the witch does it?
Yes, like
On
the
what, Wizard of Oz?
Yes, like the witch from Wizard of Oz.
Do it again.
Nothing!
You've seen it?
Yes, I've seen it 30 times.
Okay. Alright. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say next time I see you, I'll be wearing my new clothes.
Next time I see you, I'll be wearing my new clothes.